If I'm nominated, approved by this committee, I'm a firm believer in devolution.
Andrew KARANJA niwe uhingurire gikaro kia mbere gia kamiti ya wamurani umuthi thiini wa mihang'o iria ingirite muthenya wa keri ya guthurima ma Minista. Abunge makienda kumenya uria aroyaine na Minista wa hau kabere wa URIMI Mithika Linturi.
You said you have worked with cabinet secretaries. Were you Mithika Linturi's personal assistant at any point?
For the record, Mr. Speaker, sir, and honorable members, I have never met the former Honorable Minister for Agriculture. I have never been a PA.
Ihinda-inĩ rĩa mĩeri mĩnini mĩhĩtũku, Ministry ya URIMI ĩkoretwo kabiru-inĩ thutha wa kumbũka gwa bataraitha ya raithi ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩkĩenderio arĩmi. Ambunge makiuga ciĩko ici nĩ maciaro ma ungumania ũrĩa ũgũmĩire ministry ĩno mĩaka na mĩaka.
County governments are providing seeds. They are doing, they are providing all that to the farmers. But fertilizer, you keep it at Kilimo. Is it a cash cow for the minister, for the PS, for the cartels there?
We were to describe corruption in government in form of a home. The bedroom of corruption in government is Ministry of Agriculture. The rest are sitting rooms, servant quarters, and other small places.
Kuringana na KARANJA, gĩkĩ gĩgũkorwo arĩ kĩbarua gĩake kĩa mbere akĩruta mũkana wa kũng'ethanĩra na tũrĩa nĩme ministry-inĩ ĩno.
What happens is that cartels thrive where there is lack of competition and openness. I would make sure that there is openness and the integrity is maintained in the procurement of these inputs. Two is the issue about making sure that I have a governance structure.
Kurumirira thuguri ya bataraitha ya magendo, KARANJA augite wira wa thirikari nene ufatie gukorwo ari guthingatithia watho na ukinyaniria wa tabarira itiganite, akiranira kweheria thuguri ya bataraitha wabici-ini nene cia ministry ino, kuona uyu niguo thina munene uria ukoretwo ukiguciriria ungumania.
The procurement should not be done centrally. It should be done with agro dealers. Those are business people who can be able to do procurement. They do it as part of their business.
Ihinda-inĩ riu akiuga angikorwo bururi ni ukuhota kwirugamirira na kuhonia a Kenya gugubatara unyitaniri wa thirikari nene na thirikari cia county.
So the counties have to take their mandate. They have to take their roles, give those services. The national government have to take its role of the ministry where I'm going if I am approved, the role of policy, the role of regulatory and also research.
Kuhitukira mawatho ngurani maria mathugunditwo kuramata sekta ino, KARANJA nieranĩire mugaruruku sekta-inĩ ya ũrĩmi wa kahũa, macani, akimurika muno thoko ya Munara mwena wa Mombatha, kuria macani ma mũigana wa ciringi bilioni 32 makwamĩte ni kwaga thoko.
Is the government interference in the manner necessary in a free market, and how can it be balanced to ensure that market stability without causing an adverse effect?
If necessary, we don't have to create this price setting. We have to say let it go so that it is a free market, but it needs to be carefully, cautiously done so that it doesn't impact negatively on the incomes of our farmers.
Ũrĩmi wa iria kuhitana na ng'aragu, wendia wa irio thoko-inĩ cia kĩmabũrũri na guthondeka mĩeke ya mawĩra kũrĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ no mangĩ maria KARANJA augĩte egũkorwo akĩmũrĩka angĩkorwo nĩ ekũhĩtũkio kũiyũkia ũtongoria ministry-inĩ ĩno ya ũrĩmi. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wandũrwo.